Struggling to find where to add alt text in Namecheap? It is buried in the testimonial settings. Here is exactly how to get there in 5 clicks. So here's the deal. Alt text is what screen readers use to describe your images to people who cannot see them. It is also a huge help for your site's SEO, but Namecheap does not exactly make it obvious where that field lives. I have clicked through this interface a bunch of times, and I am going to walk you straight to it. First, open your site in the Namecheap editor. Then we will click through to the testimonial photo settings, where the alt text field is hidden. All right, let us start. Go ahead and navigate to your site inside the Namecheap website builder. You are probably already logged into your dashboard, so just find your site and open it up in the editor. Take your time getting in there. Now, once you are in the editor, look over at the left-hand panel. That is your main navigation for all the different sections of your page. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Testimonials. Go ahead and click on that. This is the section where your client quotes and photos are living. Inside the Testimonials section, you will see each testimonial listed individually. We're going to focus on the one that has the client photo you want to add alt text to. So click on Testimonial 1, or whichever one contains the image you need. Just click right on that entry to open its settings. And here is where things get a little sneaky. In my experience, most people give up right here because the alt text field is not obviously visible. You have to click on the option that says Highlight. Do not overthink this one. It sounds like it is for a visual effect, but it is actually the gateway to your image settings. Click on Highlight. Once you click that, a new window or panel will slide open. You are almost there. At the bottom of this new panel, you will see a button that says Continue. Click on that. This is the final step before the alt text field appears. Now you will see it, the alt text input field. This is where you type a short, descriptive sentence about the photo. Do not just stuff it with keywords. Describe what is actually happening in the image. For example, something like smiling female graphic designer at her desk working on a laptop. Keep it natural and useful. Screen readers will announce this out loud, so make it something that actually helps someone understand the image. All right, once you have typed your alt text, do not just walk away. You have to save your changes. Look for the Save or Publish button and click it. This applies your new alt text to that specific photo. If you skip this step, all that work was for nothing. To make sure everything's stuck, go ahead and preview your site. You can hover over the image and inspect the element, or just right-click on the photo and check the code. In my experience, this is the best way to confirm the alt text is actually there and applied correctly. And trust me, seeing it work is super satisfying. And that is it. 5 clicks, 1 descriptive sentence, and you are done. Your client's site is now more accessible to everyone, and you have given it a nice little boost for search engines too. Thanks for sticking with me. Go ahead and add that alt text. You have got this.